Dear students, welcome to Edu All-Rounder channel. Today we will see your chapter 9 Heredity and Evolution. The multiple choice questions from this chapter. These questions are strictly according to syllabus and they may likely come in your exam. Very important questions. Reproductive processes give rise to new individuals with similar characters, similar with subtle difference, similar with major difference, not at all similar. Nodi. In reproductive process, there are two types, sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Here, they give rise to new individuals with similar characters but subtle difference. The new individuals are with similar characteristics but with subtle difference. Therefore, answer is B. Which of the following is not a vestigial organs in humans? Pancreas, colon, wisdom tooth, both. Here, wisdom tooth is not having any particular function. Therefore, wisdom tooth is vestigial organ. The organ which is not having any special function, but pancreas and colon is having or having functions. We find more variation in sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, both, none of the above. Here the answer is sexual reproduction. We find more variation in sexual reproduction. Who listed vestigial features in human beings and termed them rudimentary? First, who noticed these things? The name of scientists are given: H.G. Kurana, Charles Darwin, Gregor Mendel, Sir Archibald Garrod. Charles Darwin. Fourth answer is B. Charles Darwin listed vestigial features in human beings and termed them rudimentary organs. Edible part in Kale is the edible part, the eatable part. Terminal bud, leaves, solen stem, leaves, immature green flowers. Edible part in Kale is leaves. Answer is leaves. The edible part is leaves. Edible part in broccoli is terminal bud, solen stem, leaves, immature green flowers. Edible part in broccoli is immature green flowers. Immature green flowers. Genes are, what are genes? Genes are units of inheritance, impressions of past organism, entities which control the expression of traits, determine sex of an individual. Genes are units of inheritance. These are all basic things you must know. Genes are units of inheritance. Factors. What are factors? Units of inheritance, impressions of past organism, entities which control the expression of traits, determine sex of an individual. What are factors? Factors are entities which control the expression of traits. These things you must remember. These are very basic things. Factors are entities which control the expression of traits. Option is C. Fossils are units of inheritance, impressions of past organism, entities which control the expression of traits, determine sex of an individual. Fossils are, you all already know, impressions of past organism. Impression of past organisms is called fossil. Phenotype is gene complement, factor which can't express its effect, factor which expresses its effect, observable characteristic. Phenotype is observable characteristics. Observable characteristic is called phenotype. Genotype is gene complement, factor complement, sex complement, observable complement. Genotype is gene complement. The name itself tells us genotype is gene complement. Dominant factor. For which factor we will call dominant factor? Gene complement, factor which can express, factor which can't express, observable characteristic. Dominant factor means factor which can express. The factors which are strong enough to express are called dominant factors. Recessive factor is observable characteristics, gene complement, factor which can express, factor which can't express, which cannot express. Answer is D. The factors which cannot express are called recessive factors. We can't find gene in hormone, protein, fat molecule, enzyme. Hormone is having gene, protein is having gene, enzyme is having gene, but fat molecule doesn't have any gene. Answer is fat molecule. Gregor Mendel selected dash pairs of contrasting characters of P for cross fertilization. How many he selected? Seven pairs of contrasting characters of P for cross fertilization. Father of human genetics is Charles Darwin, J.C. Bose, C.V. Raman, Gregor Mendel. Gregor John Mendel is the father of human genetics. The branch of biology related with heredity and variation is called evolution, taxonomy, genetics, biotics. You all know the answer is genetics. The hereditary units or DNA molecules of certain lengths are called genes. Which vestigial organ in man suggests that he is a descendant of herbivorous animals? He is a descendant of herbivorous animals. That is appendix. Appendix long before is a functional organ. In the evolution it becomes a vestigial organ. Functionless organs present in the body are called homologous organs, analogous organs, vestigial organs, none of the above. Functionless organs present in the body are called vestigial organs. Theory of natural selection. Gregor Mendel, Charles Darwin, Lamarck, Frederick Meissner. You all know the answer. It is Charles Darwin. Theory of natural selection is theory of Charles Darwin. Hereditary is transmission of characters through generation, differences among same species, development of new organism with modification, none of the above. Transmission of characters through generation. Answer is A. Hemophilia is more common in human males, human females, common in both, not decided yet. Hemophilia is more common in human males because male is having XY chromosome. Therefore, hemophilia is due to X chromosome, recessive X chromosome. Therefore, it is more in the human males. Who proved the evidence of DNA as a genetic material? Gregor Mendel, Charles Darwin, Frederick Meissner, Lamarck. The answer is C. Frederick Meissner proved the evidence of DNA as a genetic material? Which of the following provides evidence for evolution? Direct observation of genetic changes in populations, shared characteristics of organisms, the fossil record, all of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Which of the following is a test cross? Capital TT, small tt, capital TT, small tt, C, capital T, small t into both capital T, D, both small t into both small t. Which of the following is a test cross? Test cross, the answer is B. Capital T, small t into both small t. That is test cross. Sex-linked disorders such as color blindness and hemophilia are caused by genes on the X chromosome, genes on the autosome, genes on the Y chromosome expressed only in men. I already told you these type of things are caused by genes on the X chromosome. X chromosome. The earliest living organisms were multicellular, eukaryotes, prokaryotes, photosynthesizers. The earliest living organisms are prokaryotes. The genotype of offspring formed from the TT into small tt will be, again the answer is B. TT into small tt. Which amongst the following used by Gregor Mendel to study the law of inheritance? Pedigree chart, Punnett square, family tree, herbarium sheet. He uses Punnett square to study the law of inheritance. Here we complete the MCQs on heredity and evolution. We will meet again in the next video. Watch our all videos, go through the playlist. Thank you.